What's up, guys? This is a solar decoration for your car. You put it on your dashboard, paste it. It has a paste beneath it, and as soon as the sunlight gets to it, it starts rotating and looks really beautiful, just like that. Let me show you. This is the packaging. Let's bring out this one, and we have the glass ball. Like this. So you put the ball here. Make sure the shape is upright, because there is a shape on the top, and as soon as it gets some sunlight, it creates energy using these solar panels right here, and then it starts rotating. So right, because I'm inside the room, so let me give it some artificial sunlight like this. When it goes to its full speed, it feels like the ball is floating